Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Now, the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has started delivering judgment on the appeal filed by Governor Uba Sani of Kaduna State, seeking to reverse the alternative ruling of the Kaduna Governorship Tribunal ordering a supplementary election in the state. Governor Uba Sani is contesting the alternative majority ruling of the tribunal delivered on September 28, which created a path for his People's Democratic Party opponent, Ashiru Isa, to claim victory. The Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Kaduna has declared the Kaduna Governorship election inconclusive. Now, the petition was filed by the People's Democratic Party's candidate, Isah Mohammed Ashiru, against Uba Sani of the All Progressives Congress in the 2023 governorship election held in the state on March 18, 2023. Proceedings are currently ongoing at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. Now, joining us on the news is Marvelous Obomanu, our correspondent in Abuja, to discuss this. Hello, Marvelous. Thank you for joining us at this time.
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon.
All right, so can you go ahead and give us an update on this particular issue? What are we tracking at this time?
Oh, well, just like you earlier mentioned, judgment is ongoing right now. They are still inside the courtroom, and we are not yet unclear to the direction which the justices may swing justice. But just let me also reiterate some of the issues. The governor of Kaduna State, Andy Uba, is, praying the court to, set aside the earlier judgment of the Kaduna State Governorship, Tribunal, which seeks to, order a rerun of his election, which he claimed he won. So he has raised about 5, grounds of appeal at the Court of Appeal, praying on the court to set aside that earlier judgment by the Kaduna State Governorship, Petitions Court. So right now, judgment is ongoing. As you can see behind me, we have few journalists and also a handful of security people at the court premises, making sure, keeping tabs that things go in order. We also have some few, supporters, a handful of supporters here in the Court of Appeal. All of them are eager, waiting to hear what the judgment of the court will be. And you're aware this is coming less than 24 hours after the Court of Appeal reaffirmed the governorship of Nasarawa State, talking about Abdullahi Sule. And today we are going to know if Governor Uba Sani will remain the governor of Kaduna State or not. So we are just keeping our fingers crossed, waiting for what will happen in the coming minutes or hours.
All right. Have you heard any agitations as to, what direction this ruling might actually go? Because taking a look at previous rulings, talking about Plateau State, Kano State and the likes, a lot of people have actually been a lot agitated at some of these particular appeals. What are your thoughts on that? What can you say about that?
Well, you're also aware what happened in Plateau State, but here is the nation's capital, Abuja, and the security operatives are not throwing caution to the wind. They are on ground to make sure that such thing does not erupt here in Abuja. Just after the ruling of Abdullahi Sule yesterday, towards evening, we saw a handful of security operatives, both the police and the military, going around the city center, trying to make sure that such thing, do not occur. Even as at 9 p.m. last night, in most of the checkpoints that I passed through while I was going back from work yesterday, we also saw a very harmful presence of security people, trying to conduct search to make sure that such a thing do not erupt. So we can't say it may not come or not, but I think the security men are fully on ground to foresee such incident in case if it wants to come.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Marvelous Obomanu. We will connect with you in our subsequent bulletins, even as the sit-in continues. Thank you so much.
Yes, whatever happens, we'll surely bring updates to you.
Definitely.